Hey guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Today I'll be taking you shopping with me to Nordstrom Rack. I actually was surprised I haven't come here and done a video with you yet, so I felt like it was time. I actually haven't shopped here in a while, so I'm curious to see what they have in store. So I'll bring you with me along the way, and if you're new here, just know my measurements are in the description box below to help you with size referencing. And if I'm able to link anything, I'll also link it below, and it will be a commissionable link that helps with my content creator life. So that's always appreciated. All right, let's go shop. Another beautiful Chicago day of rain and tears. Ooh. Ooh, do I need this? I'm obsessed. Oh, these are so cute. Here's the price. Ooh. Ooh, this is such a cute set. Ooh, I really like these florals. Time to try on. Okay, the first outfit is a Good American and it's size 2 and it's normally $170, but it's $80 right now at Nordstrom Rack. So a couple things, it's a little bit big on the strap, but I feel like if I was to size down, it would definitely be too big. Or too small, I should say, but it's really cute otherwise. What's nice is you can tighten it right here too, so you can cinch it in, which for me, this is pretty perfect at where it's at. Also gotta love some pockets, but you know I like a good American denim jumper, but I don't know, the straps aren't doing it for me, so maybe that's why it's on clearance. But it's pretty cute if your shoulders can fit. So I'll give you a look. It's like the color of it. Really cute though, kind of a shame, but I feel like I would prefer it in a lighter or darker denim. We'll see. Cute. Okay, if you have that issue with the straps, they have a strapless version, also $80. Also size 2. The pants are a little bit more baggy though, but really cute. In my opinion, this one's actually cuter than the one with straps. So I feel like I would say get this over that, and it's really comfortable, and I feel like it's really stretchy too. Here's a close-up so you can kind of see better. I feel like it's not my favorite of their jumpsuits, so I feel like for me it'll be a skip, but I can see this being really cute on somebody else. So there's a good look at it. What do you think? Okay, this dress is a size medium and it is $45. It's really cute. I'm actually really into this print. My best friend even has this shirt that goes with the same print but in a shirt, and I love it. And they actually had a few different ways you could wear it. They had even this like bodysuit. It was too small for me, so if you like the bodysuit, definitely size up. But this is cute. It's mesh. It has like a black dress underneath. I did size up because I feel like these always get a little choky for me, but it's not my favorite for me, but I know a lot of people that like this style, so I didn't want to skip. But it's so cute. Midi, really long, really stretchy, breathable, kind of a nice Easter dress. So I would say this is one of those that for me is not going to be a keep, but I feel like a lot of people would like this one. I'll show you a bit better. Here's a close-up. It's even prettier in person than it shows on camera. So love. Not for me, but maybe for you. All right, I'm gonna tell you, this is already gonna be a keep for me. This is $35, size small. But look, it's so pretty. It is the prettiest dress for summer. Are you kidding me? And it does like tie in the back, so you can kind of adjust it based off your body. And I love that. And it's smocked in the middle. Really, really cute. I'll show you a close-up of this. Oh my God, this is for sure coming home with me. So pretty. Okay, we can all agree, right? Yeah. All right, this one, I hope I can link this, but you have to get it. There's a close-up. So cute. Definitely a keep. Okay, this is another Good American. It's becoming a Good American haul. This is $60, size 1. If you remember, Good American has different sizing, so you can refer to my Good American videos to know about how that works. But this is basically one long tank. Ribbed dress, and it's basically a maxi, but I'm obsessed. It's so soft. It feels like the nicest quality. It's the prettiest shade of like navy. And I love it. Like, it does make you feel pretty snatched. I mean, you know, probably wear seamless stuff underneath, but I love this for the price too. Like, comfy, easy, throw it on with some sandals this summer. I'd say this one's like an easy keep because it's like cute and simple. Also, the original price, it was like $125 and now it's $60, so essentially half the price. Not bad. Okay, so these are both Steve Madden. This bodysuit is $24, size small, and the skirt is $40, size small. Super light, super breezy, really meshy material. You can see, very breathable. And the bodysuit's also like really thin, really soft, but so pretty, easy to wear. And the bodysuit is button up, which is pretty nice and easy, but really cute. Easy, like, you know, Easter outfit, or you could wear it to even like the office after you buy it for Easter, which I'm a fan of. But I like the length. So what do you guys think? I don't know. Is this one like a love or like? I feel like for me it's a like, but it could be a love for some. All right. Okay, some of you might think this is an unusual choice for me, but actually it's not. So this is size 4, $60 Calvin Klein dress. I have this in black at home, and I wear this to work all the time, and I get the most compliments on it. And it's so nice. It's thinner. It's really good for like spring, summer. I need it now in gray. The black one I have is black with gold, like zipper and gold buttons. So this is even prettier that it's like silver and gray. If you need something for work, this one is so easy to wear. I love it. I'll show you a little bit better. They had it in multiple colors, but I feel like I always like these kind of tones for my office, but I thought I'd throw it in because I really do wear this and I actually have it at home. So this is for sure a keep. I would say get it because you will not regret it. All right, so the damage was I got the pretty springy dress because I thought that's necessary. And then at checkout, because you know, don't you always get like more stuff at checkout? They had this really pretty Charlotte Tilbury like mascara. So I wanted to give that a try. So that one was actually from $30 down to $23. So 23% savings, not bad. So if you're interested in these, I'll just link them too. And then, not that I showed you, but I went and bought my daughter these cute little sandals for her birthday. They're like purple sparkly and they were $20. So really cute. So I'll link those too if there's a mom on here who also likes those. But I'll have everything linked in the description box below in case you want to shop anything. I'm going to try to see if any of these are on the Nordstrom Rack website. And again, my sizes are down there to help with, you know, size referencing. But thanks for sticking around till the end and watching with me. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you at next week's video. Ciao.